I always wanted to be a lawyer, wanted to study the Constitution, constitutional law, or be a public defender. Those seemed like the most important jobs in society, I thought, at one point in life. And when I was in high school, 11th grade, my teacher, who I was at a very small school, so he was my English teacher and my math teacher, he said, "You should consider becoming a research scientist." And I thought, that sounds terrible. That sounds really awful. I don't know what that is, but you're probably wearing a white coat, you're probably in a basement, and you're looking at test tubes of something, and it just doesn't sound interesting. So that was strange. But that was the year that I took physics. And when I took physics, a couple of things happened. First of all, it was the hardest thing I'd taken, which was interesting. It was exciting. It wasn't natural to me. And then I realized that everything I knew about the world was pretty much wrong. I'd been walking around paying a lot of attention for 18 years, 17 years, and I'd gotten everything wrong. When I found out that if you shoot something on a flat surface and drop something, you know, if you're firing a bullet on a horizontal plane and you drop a bullet next to it and the two objects hit the ground at the same time, that was shocking to me. All of my intuitions about how things worked were just wrong. So that intrigued me. And the more I studied physics, the more interesting it got. So many puzzles, so much about the world that was shocking. By the time I got to quantum mechanics, I almost couldn't sleep at night. It was so shocking that this was maybe how the world worked. And I just got completely pulled into it. But I don't think it ever would have really, I don't know if I would have had the guts to follow it up if my teacher hadn't said to me, "You should think about becoming a research scientist."